Welcome back, dear children. So today we are going to see some examples from the lesson exponents. So let's get started. First of all, question is write in expanded form of. So we have to write in expanded form of the given questions. Like here is 4 to the power of 6 or 4 raised to power 6. So friends, we know that in order to write in power notation, that also in expanded form, means your power is 6. Means this 4 factor is going to multiply by itself 6 times. So write down here 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. This is the expanded form of this notation. Next is minus 7 to the power of 3. This means minus 7 is going to multiply itself 3 times. That is of minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. If there is a negative number, you can put them in a bracket. Friends, next is minus 1 by 3 to the power 5. So you can write 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. That is 5 times. Next we are having, friends, minus 3 by 4 to the power 4. So we can write down it like this. Minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 . Next, fifth one, we are having minus 37 to the power 2. When the power 2 is there, you can call it as a square. So minus 37 square into 4 to the power 4. So you can write in expanded form like this. Minus 37 into minus 37 into 4 multiplied by 4. So these are the expanded form. Next, move to the express in power notation. So now these are the numbers given. We have to write in terms of some powers. So here we know that 125. Friends, one thing keep in mind, for finding out the power notation, you should know their factors. Like 125, we know that 125 having the factors in terms of 5. So you can give in terms of power 5, like 125 you can get when you multiply 5 3 times to itself. It is 5 into 5 into 5. And when you want to write in power notation, you can write 5 to the power 3. Because here 3 times is there, multiplication by itself. Next, friends, you need to write minus 8 upon 27. So we'll write minus outside, and we can inside 8 is nothing but the, in terms of power 2, you can write 2 into 2 into 2. And that also 27 you can write, that is 3's cube. 3 into 3 into 3. Friends, you can write minus 2 by 3 whole cube. So minus 2 by 3 whole cube is there. Next is there 256. 256 is nothing but the square of 16. So you can write in terms of power of 4, or you can write in terms of 16 also. I am writing here using 16 into 16, which is nothing but 16's square is a 256. Next we are having minus 343, which you can write in terms of 7, like 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. So you can write minus n as it is 7's cube. Minus 7's cube is nothing but minus of 343. Next we are having 49 upon 25. So you can write here 49 is the 7 sevens are divided by 25. You can write 5 into 5. So it is nothing but 7 square upon 5 square. You can commonly share the bracket and give the square 1. That is 7 by 5 whole square. Next you are having 81 upon 625. So friends, 81 upon 625 you can write, 81 you can write as a 3's in terms of 3, 3 into 3 into 3. That is 4 times. And 625 you can write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here it is 3 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 4. You can write 3 by 5 to the power 4. And friends, if you don't know how to factorize it, you can watch out the previous video. In that I shown the factorization method. So you can go for that and you can find out the factors like this. So next we'll move to the find the value of. So here we want to find out the value of minus 5 cube into minus 1 to the power 7 into 2 square. So you can write it like this, minus 5 cube. That means 5's cube is 125. Here only we have taken out 5 cube is 125. And the minus sign is there. So friends, we know that if the power is odd and the negative sign is multiplying odd number of times, that means to the answer the minus sign will be there. So it is nothing but minus 125 into minus 1 to the power 7. When the power is odd, the minus sign will be as it is. So you can write it is minus 1. 7 times means it is minus 1 only. And to the power 2, that means it is 4. So friends, here both are of the minus sign, so it will give positive 125 into 4. So 125 4s are what you will get 500. So this is nothing but the value is 500. Next we'll go for here 1 by 3 to the power 3. 1 by 3 to the power 3 means 1 is going to multiply 1 time, and here 3 is going to multiply 3 times into 3 square, that means 3 into 3, and this 5 square, that means 5 into 5. Friends, you can simplify here, 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are, and these 3 ones are. We are just left with 1 ones are 1, and in the denominator 3 into 5 into 5, that is 5 5s are 25, 25 5 3s are 75. So this is value is 1 by 75. Next we'll move to this 3 by 4 whole square. You can directly take it, otherwise you can multiply here. 3 square means 3 into 3. 4 square is nothing but 4 into 4. And minus 1's cube means minus 1 you need to multiply 3 times. That is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. And then 2's cube. 2 into 2 into 2. And this 2 cube, again you can write, friends, 2's cube means 2 into 2 into 2. And friends, you can simply cut these 3 2's with these 3 2's. And what you have left here? 3 3s are 9. And here minus 1 is going to multiply 3 times means negative sign will come. Minus of 9. Divide by 4 4s are 16. So this is minus 9 by 16 will come. Friends, next we need to find out the value of 2 square plus 3's cube plus 4's cube. So 2 square is nothing but 4. 3's cube is nothing but 27. 4's cube is nothing but what? 64. So after all you need to add them up. So addition will give you 95. Here 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 7 15. And here 8 plus 1 9, 95. So these are the questions related to exponent. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.